Did you know that a group of buffalo can take down a lion? Kinda crazy when you think about it. Here is Game Grind TV's 5 facts about buffalo you probably didn't know. Number 5. They are social animals. Buffalo live in herds of up to 1,000 members. And just like us humans, they have their own language and communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, including grunts, roars, and even whistles. Number 4. They are herbivores. Buffalo are not interested in eating meat. They are content with a diet of grass, leaves, and other vegetation. Number 3. They are extremely strong. A full-grown buffalo can weigh up to 2,000 pounds, and they use their strength to protect themselves from predators like lions and hyenas. Number 2. They have horns that can grow up to 5 feet wide. These horns are not just for show. They are used for fighting off predators and competing for mates. Number 1. They are endangered. Habitat loss and poaching have led to a decline in buffalo numbers, and today they are listed as a vulnerable species. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give Game Grind TV a follow for more interesting facts.